When it comes to infants ingesting fluoride, is breastfeeding better?
Absolutely.
And they still get some, and is that just because it's in the mother's system?
But it's very little, very, very little. As I said, the bottle-fed baby in a fluoridated community is getting about 200 times more fluoride. And nobody has ever suggested for one moment that there's any advantage to bottle feeding the baby fluoride as opposed to breastfeeding. The situation now is that the American Dental Association actually advises against bottle feeding with fluoridated tap water, but they don't want to make too much of this because they're frightened that people then would worry about the whole practice of water fluoridation. When we tried to introduce this warning, we wanted this warning on the water bills in New Hampshire. We started with New Hampshire. We wanted a warning to tell parents advising against using bottled water in a fluoridated community to bottle feed their babies. And the dental lobby opposed this. And yet, I remember in November 9, 2006, they put out a memorandum to their membership advising that if they advised parents to tell them not to use fluoridated bottled water. So we're only trying to do what they themselves had done. But meanwhile, of course, they'd found out that this might threaten the whole practice of water fluoridation.